What's up, what's up? I am, of course, you already probably know, going to look for another car. Somehow we just got smashed over the Christmas holiday with people that just feel like they do not have to return cars. Like, makes no sense at all. For those of you that are wondering if I found it, just did. 10 o'clock at night, hotel parking lot. There she goes. Whoa, 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 whoa. Nothing there, huh? Cut. Looks like the neighbor's car. I don't have keys, in case you guys are wondering. Makes it a little harder. Wait, this is not my car. Ah, just kidding. What's up, my people? It's a little bit late, but you know, we got it. We got it. I'll go ahead and see if I don't drop my phone. Woo! We got my baby back. We got my baby back. I just left work late. I'm like, let me go hit up all those hotels near an intersection where the toll kept pinging. It kept pinging off the tollway. So I knew that they had to be in that area. There's no reason they hit that toll 3-4 times a day. So I just kept hitting hotels all day since this morning. This whole section's got a bunch of hotels in it that people that live in them. Kept hitting them, kept hitting them, kept hitting them. Boom, just now, 9:30 at night, I hit it and boom, the car was parked in between two other cars. You already know. Rental gang. Whoop, whoop. Yes, yes, y'all. We got her back safe and sound. Well, maybe not completely safe. We don't have a key, so that sucks. But the car doesn't seem to be wrecked. So I'm gonna go ahead and stick with just the positives. We gotta replace a rim. Missing a rim and a tire. Sucks, but we got our car back. And this is like a really nice car. It looks like crap right now, but this car is super nice. Loaded, leather, got all the options. People do love it, so it sucks. I have like this exact same car, but base model, and it rents out pretty good. So we got another one of these in blue, way nicer, rents out consistent. So then we bought this one about 2.5 months ago, maybe, I don't even have the plates yet, so about, 2.5, 2 to 3 months, somewhere in that range. I think the plates are actually here, but people like it, man, so I'm so happy to get it back. That's it. Good night. That's what I hear. Sometime we get that sponsorship. Red Bull, sugar-free. Get some. Rental gang. Whoop, whoop.